Organize my mom's vintage vanity with me. This woman is messy, can you tell? My grandmother gave my mama this vanity. This vanity is older than me. I think it's like 38 years old, but my mama's got a mess everywhere. I love all the details about it though. Look how beautiful it is. It still has the vintage bulbs and all the original glass. I wanted to organize everything by category, but first I gotta put on a novela. Right now I'm watching Lo que la vida me robó. I am obsessed with Angelique Boyer and Sebastian Rulli. And look at how handsome the men on the soap opera are, like, ugh. So I have a huge bag for her products that I wanted to gift her as well. And for my sisters too. I went to Home Goods and grabbed some acrylic drawers. And one of the reasons why I wanted to organize this for my mom is because she's a stress head. She does not prioritize the time to take care of herself because she's always on her laptop working. Every time I organize her vanity, which I've done many times, it never stays organized because she doesn't have a good system. So once and for all, I wanted to just make it really easy for her to see everything in an organized manner. So I started with all the creams at the bottom, which I actually ended up reorganizing this whole thing because I kept changing my mind and trying to make everything more efficient. I put all the face creams, eye creams together. I put all the sheet masks in one little drawer, and she has an insane amount of stuff. Because not only do I give her product, but one of my sisters works at Estee Lauder, and she also gets a lot of stuff, so she gives my mom a lot of product. My mom is obsessed with skincare. I put all of the face mist, essences in one drawer as well. Then I grabbed all the serums and put them in another drawer. My mom is the queen of the house. My siblings and I, we adore her. We try to do everything we can for her because she does work very hard. She's the head of a law firm, so she does a lot. So I know that she'll appreciate being able to sit down to a very organized vanity and put on everything that she sees. Usually she doesn't know what things are for, so I'm organizing it in a way where she knows what it's for, eye category, serums, all that. This took me 3 hours to do, and I didn't even have time to finish the rest. That whole bag of products you guys saw, I didn't even get to that, and I had to jump on a flight the next day, so I disinfected everything, of course, and then I started putting back the acrylic drawers. Trust me, when she saw it, she loved it, and so did my sister. And now she has a little organized vanity. I love these acrylic drawers because you can see everything inside. This way she doesn't have an excuse to not use everything. What do you guys think? Self-care sister out.